So the main takeaway I want you all to have, whoever's within the sound of my voice, to take away is uh, clearly I have a favorite baseball team, right? But also, um, you don't need a lot of money, right? I looked at that, and I'm a practitioner. I'm in this space. I'm comfortable in this space. Even I, when I saw that Network Chuck video, I had a little hardware envy. Not gonna lie, and that made me feel kind of, well, like I was missing out. But I was able to find an old machine, or not an old machine, but a machine that was new to me last year that I originally got to experiment with Kubernetes and OpenShift. Um, that I've since repurposed to being kind of like my VM Hyper-V server. So the machine I'm actually running on is, I tried doing it on WSL on top of Windows directly, with the Windows Server directly. Had some issues with getting Docker to run on that, and I kind of obviously troubleshot that. But I was like, you know what? I have Hyper-V. Let me spin up an Ubuntu VM. I gave it basically 80% of the resources to the machine because I have a VPN server also running on that box. It's like 80% should be fine. And you see, it's actually pretty good. Now, there are some tweaks I can do in terms of optimizing the number of cores I reserve and vCPUs and things like that. There's still obviously work I can do, but again, for $300, obviously, depending on what server you get, refurb, it's a pretty good deal. And again, whether it's 300, whether it's 400, you're still well under 10% of what this behemoth that he's got running, um, is on, right? It's definitely something that is far more approachable than you may think.